Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I went to my grandma's house and we were looking for garage sales and this is what I got. This is what I wanted. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we cut into this part. Now we just have to that was easy. That was including some food. Whoa, wow, this is actually pretty hard to cut this. There's some tape over here. Oh my gosh, there's tape everywhere. And there's also some tape over here. So we almost got it. Ooh, look at it. Okay, looks like we have to turn this. Just like with the Hatchimal videos I made, you have to turn it this way. Oh, okay. I think this thing needs batteries. Okay, we got it. So my mom put the batteries in. You can hear them. Now, how do we turn this thing on? Oh, right. Can this thing walk? Oh, it's giggling. They light up the eyes. Okay. Think we're ready to play the tickle game. What is she gonna say? We. We will see the food. Let's open it up and we're gonna feed her. What do you want them to eat first? I think she should eat vegetables first, and then she can have her candy. Okay, but calm down right now, okay? I'm going for a carrot. Oh no, she's hungry. I'll get it for you, don't worry. She's eating. She can actually eat? That is so... Come on, some more. That was so cool. I did not know she could actually eat. Okay, she's done. Good girl. What do you think of the name? Comment down below. Comment down below. I have two names. That it would be Lollipop or Rosie, like her eye. Below and vote which one you think you want. The more votes of the same name, that's what I'm gonna name it. Let's give her one popsicle, not two. Just one. Here you go. Oh, you dropped it. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, vote what name you think. Rosie or Lollipop. Bye. Thumbs up too. Bye. Bye bye.